Everyone. So I just wanted to touch base. I'm at the lake. It's 80 degrees. It's beautiful. So I had a student ask me a question about just figuring some things out. So I just want to go over this with you guys. So speed is really a ratio. It's all a fraction. Now, um, all of these are fractions. All of these are fractions, and so you'll see. But this would just be distance over time. So it's going to be meters in an hour, kilometers in an hour. So that's about what they're going to say. They'll say average speed or total speed, something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and write that. Now, the difference between this is you're going to have some directions. So this would be north, south, up, down, all of that. So it's going to be the same thing as above. But you're going to have direction. So if it has direction, it's going to most likely be velocity. However, acceleration is kind of the same case on that too. Okay? It just means that your keywords on acceleration is you're speeding up or slowing down. So those are some of the keywords that you need to look for. Anything that's increasing speed or velocity. So it's increasing speed or velocity. Decreasing speed or velocity. Or if you hear the word changing direction. Okay, so he went left. He turned and went left. That's an example of it. I'm going to pause it. Hi, Emily, again. Sorry. So my computer died right when I was trying to get this, so now I'm here. Now, on number one, I'm going to do a few with you. Number one, so I'm going to do a few with you. I'm not going to do all of them. I just want to hit the words. So if you look here, let me see if I can't pull it up. Some of the key things for each of these is for speed, look for things that just have distance and time. So it's just meters per second. Went 25 miles in 1 hour, and that's speed. This is velocity. It would be the same thing, but it has direction. Now the keywords with acceleration are speeding up or slowing down, increasing or decreasing speed, and the other thing again is change in direction. So on this one, the geese fly 23 miles per hour mph south when they migrate to winter. The key word on this, there's two keywords, and let's see, I don't know if I can get a highlighter, is mph right here. That's a keyword, and south, okay? The motorcycle slowed down as it approached the yield sign. So the key word on this one is slowed down. It doesn't tell us our speed. It just tells us that we're decreasing our speed. So this one would be acceleration. Why? Because it's telling us it's slowed down. Okay. A snail crawled 2 meters in 2 hours. Now, it told us our distance and it told us our time. It does not have direction, and it doesn't have speeding up or slowing down. It just says that it's constant. It went 2 meters in 2 hours. So this one would be speed. So there was just some concerns when I was looking over the first three, because they weren't right. You just got to look for those keywords in order to do that. I'm going to do one more for you. How about this one? The soccer player ran 50 yards in 5.1 seconds. Now, again, this is not saying, what it's saying is distance over a period of time, right? Okay. It is not saying direction. It is not saying speeding up or slowing down or increasing, decreasing speed. So what that has to do with is it's not an increase or decrease, it's just staying constant. So this would be speed. Okay, I hope this helps, Emily. You're free to email me and I can look over some stuff and I can help you. Okay, I just wanted to give some clarification. Thanks for touching in with me, and it's good to hear from you.